Do you ever find yourself frustrated by the mystery of where your money goes each month? Imagine if I were to share with you the incredible possibility that your smartphone has the potential to unlock a world of financial freedom for you. Stick around. Have any of you experienced the anxiety of not knowing if you'll be able to make it to your next paycheck? You are not alone. That's why I highly recommend watching this video all the way through. Today, we will explore the exciting digital solutions that are transforming the way we handle our finances. Absolutely, I'm referring to budgeting apps, and let me assure you, they are far from dull. By the conclusion of this video, I was wondering if you could tell me more about YNAB apps. What's it all about? This isn't just any ordinary budgeting app. It's a powerful tool that will help you save money and say goodbye to debt. YNAB apps focuses on the present, assisting you in managing your current financial circumstances while also setting the stage for a more prosperous future. Now, let's delve into the details of what sets YNAB apart from the rest. Tracking your financial goals. YNAB is similar to having a best friend for your finances. Achieving success isn't solely about establishing goals, it's about surpassing them with determination and perseverance. Are you searching for a tropical vacation? Are you considering a plan to eliminate your credit card debt? YNAB is here to support you in setting and tracking your financial goals like a professional. Analyzing financial habits. Have you ever wondered where your hard-earned money mysteriously goes? YNAB doesn't leave you guessing, it gives you straightforward answers. By providing you with insightful reports on your spending habits, you will be empowered to make informed decisions about your finances. Support from YNAB staff. Need a helping hand on your budgeting journey? YNAB has a dedicated team available to provide you with assistance. You'll never feel alone in your journey to master your finances with their live help and interactive webinars. They are there to provide support and guidance every step of the way. Now, let's discuss the advantages and disadvantages. YNAB is a versatile budgeting tool that can be accessed on multiple devices. You also have the option to bring a friend along on this financial journey. Additionally, what about live support and interactive learning? Imagine having a personal financial coach right at your fingertips. Well, it's not flawless. If you're someone who prioritizes tracking investments, YNAB might not be your first choice. Additionally, the interface might give you the impression of a Microsoft Excel spreadsheet. While it may not be the most eye-catching, it certainly gets the job done. I'm curious, what made YNAB earn a place on the list of top budgeting apps? The main focus of this is to help you save money and liberate yourself from the burden of debt. If you want to budget like a pro, YNAB is the perfect tool for you. It offers a range of features, such as financial goal tracking, insights into your spending habits, and even extra support from their staff. What's even better is that you can access it on both your computer and your phone, allowing you to manage your budget whenever and wherever you want. App number 2. Empower Personal Dashboard. Now, let's switch gears and dive into another financial powerhouse, Empower Personal Dashboard. If you're all about making your money work for you, this one's for you. Empower is more than just a budgeting app, it's a financial powerhouse designed with investors in mind. Outstanding reporting options. Empower doesn't hold back when it comes to reporting. You get the whole shebang, detailed reports on your spending, your savings, and even your investments. It's like having your financial data at your fingertips, helping you make those data-driven decisions that can really impact your wealth. Attention all investors. We are excited to introduce our investment management platform. Empower offers an investment management platform that is designed to capture your attention. Take control of your investments, keep tabs on their performance, and receive valuable guidance on maximizing your portfolio's potential. Having a personal financial advisor in your pocket is truly a game changer. One of the features we offer is spending tracking. This feature allows you to easily keep track of your expenses and monitor your spending habits. With spending tracking, you can input your expenses and categorize them accordingly. There is more to the story. Empower is a useful tool that allows you to easily track your daily spending and organize it into convenient categories. Imagine having a personal money detective who can reveal exactly where your hard-earned cash is being spent. Now, let's discuss the positives and negatives. Empower is packed with a wide range of features. This platform offers a wide range of features that would appeal to any investor. It provides comprehensive investment tools and detailed reports on spending and saving. Also, what about those advisory tools for financial planning? Absolutely excellent. I understand that it can be quite overwhelming for beginners. If you're new to the world of finance, the numerous features available might seem overwhelming and make you feel out of your depth. It's worth mentioning that Empower primarily focuses on investments, so if your main priority is budgeting, it may not be the ideal choice for you. App number 3. Mint. Okay, everybody, we're on a roll. Our next contender in the world of budgeting apps is none other than Mint. If you're all about keeping a close eye on your daily financial activities, you're in the right place. Mint is your daily money monitor. It's not just a budgeting app, it's your financial sidekick, here to help you keep tabs on your cash flow. Mint has different feats than others. Customized Perspectives. Mint is there to help you understand your spending habits. This tool provides personalized insights, offering you valuable information about your spending habits and effective ways to save money. It feels as if you have a personal financial expert right at your fingertips. Budgets that can be personalized to your needs and preferences. Budgets serve as your financial roadmaps, providing guidance on managing your finances effectively. With Mint, you have the ability to create and customize your own budget to suit your needs. You can actually set up budgets based on your income and expenses. And guess what? You won't be able to wander too far. Mint will send you alerts when you are getting close to your budget limits. Rest assured, there are no unexpected expenses that will break the bank. Monitoring your subscriptions. Are you fed up with those sneaky subscription fees? Mint is here to support you. This tool assists you in keeping track of all your subscriptions and recurring payments, making it easier for you to manage or cancel them as needed. Say goodbye to unexpected charges on your bank statement. Mint has a user-friendly interface that makes it incredibly easy to navigate. Moreover, it serves as a versatile financial tool, capable of monitoring various aspects such as investments and loans. And what's even better, you can use it for free. Mint does have one drawback that some users have reported. There have been occasional issues with account synchronization, so it's important to be aware of that. Additionally, you may come across a few advertisements and promotional offers during your journey, which can be slightly distracting. App number 4. Good Budget. Ladies and gentlemen, we're back with another budgeting gem, and this one's all about embracing the traditional yet effective envelope system. Say hello to Good Budget, the budgeting app that puts you in control, old school style. Good Budget takes the envelope system and gives it a modern twist. If you like hands-on budgeting, this app has your name all over it. Let's dive into what sets Good Budget apart. The digital envelope system is a method of managing personal finances using technology. It is a modern adaptation of the traditional envelope system, which involves allocating money into different physical envelopes for various spending purposes. Have you ever heard of the envelope system? Good Budget has taken this proven method and transformed it into a digital format. You can distribute your money among different envelopes that represent various spending categories, similar to how you would do it with actual envelopes. Get ready to budget with a hint of nostalgia. There are many educational resources available to help enhance your learning experience. These resources can include textbooks, online courses, video tutorials, educational websites. Are you new to budgeting or the envelope system? Sure, no problem. Good Budget is here to support you with a variety of educational materials and tutorials. They will provide guidance on the fundamentals of budgeting and teach you how to effectively utilize the envelope system. It feels as if you have a personal budgeting mentor conveniently accessible on your phone. Managing a household budget together. If you're working together to manage your finances, Good Budget is the perfect tool to make it easy. Sharing your budget with family members or partners can make managing your finances together a breeze. Let's discuss the advantages and disadvantages. The digital envelope system offered by Good Budget is incredibly user-friendly, providing you with the same satisfying experience of budgeting with physical envelopes, but without any of the associated difficulties. The educational resources provided are incredibly helpful for those who are new to budgeting. Additionally, the shared budgeting feature is ideal for households looking to manage their finances together. Here's the thing, though, the free version comes with some limitations on its features. If you're interested in finding a more comprehensive budgeting tool, it would be worth considering other alternatives. Additionally, if you have an interest in tracking investments, this may not align with your preferences. App number 5. Opportun. Alright, budget-savvy viewers, we've got something pretty unique on our hands here. Meet Opportun, the budgeting app that's all about making saving and investing a breeze without you even lifting a finger. Opportun, formerly known as Digit, has a pretty nifty trick up its sleeve. It uses machine learning to analyze your spending habits and then magically stashes away money for your future. Now, let's delve into what makes Opportun tick. Machine learning for savings. Imagine having a financial wizard who studies your spending patterns and then, like clockwork, sets aside money for you. That's what Opportun does. It employs machine learning to analyze your spending and automatically tuck away cash into your savings. Custom goals. Got a specific financial goal in mind? Whether it's saving for that dream vacation, a new set of wheels, or building up an emergency fund, Opportun lets you set custom goals right within the app. Nearly automated saving and investing. Don't you just hate the hassle of manually transferring money to your savings account? Opportun's got your back. It takes the heavy lifting out of saving by automatically moving money from your checking account to your Opportun account. Opportun's biggest pro: it makes saving and investing effortless. With its automated system, you'll be stashing cash away without even thinking about it. Plus, you can customize your financial goals to fit your dreams. And here's the kicker: it offers a free trial, but even after that, the monthly fee won't break the bank. Now, if you're someone who prefers a more hands-on approach to budgeting, Opportun might not be your cup of tea. And while the monthly fee isn't exorbitant, it might not be for everyone. And there you have it, folks, the rundown on the top 5 budgeting apps that cater to all your financial needs. Whether you're a budgeting enthusiast, an investor, or someone who loves to save with minimal effort, there's an app tailored just for you. In a world where financial literacy is more crucial than ever, these apps aren't just tools, they're your allies in the battle for financial success. They can help you steer clear of debt, build a secure future, and even make your money work for you. Remember, the best budgeting app isn't necessarily the flashiest, it's the one that suits your lifestyle and financial goals like a glove. If you found this video packed with value, do us a favor and hit that thumbs up button. Share this video with anyone you know who's on a quest for better budgeting. Don't miss out on our upcoming financial tips, reviews, and deep dives. Subscribe to our channel and flick that notification bell to the on position. Your voice matters. Drop a comment below to let us know which app caught your eye or if there's another app you'd like us to review. We're here to help you crush your financial goals. Thank you for watching. Until next time, stay budget savvy.